An year ago, I was standing on my balcony at night, gazing at the sky. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a question popped up in my head that what is this all meant for? What is the purpose of life? I started thinking based on the pre stored data in my head. I couldn't get any answer. So I quit and again started gazing at the stars. But this time, I was silent. No thoughts in my head. And to my surprise, I got my answers. I began to realize that this moment is the purpose. Let's begin. Our planet Earth was lifeless for a very long time. No living creature. Then a series of chemical reactions gave rise to first form of life some 4 billion years ago. Evolution happened and many species started appearing on this planet. It took nature more than 3 billion years to evolve humans out of that first primal form of life. We have come so far. Nature has gifted us the ability to be aware of ourselves. Only we can think up to this extent. But who are we? Are we separate from the nature? Are we not the planet itself? How come an unconscious celestial body give rise to a conscious being? I realized that it is nothing but play of pure consciousness. I realized that I was not gazing at the stars, I was gazing at myself. Because I am not separate from the stars. Let me give you an analogy. A wave in an ocean is not different from the ocean because it is all water. Same way, I am not different from anything because it is all pure consciousness. And to realize this fact is the only real purpose of life. At the end, I would like to recite a quote by Alan Watts here. Through our eyes, the universe is perceiving itself. Through our ears, the universe is listening to its harmonies. We are the witnesses through which the universe becomes conscious of its glory, of its magnificence.